Okay, students. Next one is discuss about character properties of chemical equilibrium. Okay, first one, chemical equilibrium is established only if a reversible reaction carried out in closed vessel. Already in discuss about to the only that is a reversible reaction. One more point is given. Only that is either side is applied only. That it means rate of forward reaction and backward reaction. Okay, I repeat once again, in the chemical equilibrium is established only reversible reactions, and the reversible reactions present in only closed vessel. Okay, not taken in the open vessel. Okay, mind it point. Okay, next one, in the at equilibrium, physical properties like color, density, viscosity, surface tension, and the type of physical properties does not change with the time. Only change in concentration by time intervals, and remaining all parameters and remaining all physical properties does not change at the time of equilibrium position with the time. That is the most important, students. Okay, third one is already in equilibrium can be established from either side of the reaction. Means already that forward reaction and backward reaction, like rate of forward reaction equal to the rate of backward reaction. Means change in concentration of reactant equal to the change in concentration of product, or decrease the concentration of reactant equal to the increase the concentration of product. Already discussed about that point. Okay, one of the character property. And finally, chemical equilibrium is dynamic in nature, that is called dynamic equilibrium. Okay, in the term, what is the dynamic equilibrium reaction? Students, in the both forward and backward reaction at all time same maintain the same speed. Means those chemical reactions rate of forward and backward reaction and at all time maintain the same speed. That is called dynamic equilibrium. In the dynamic equilibrium is always proceed the chemical reaction, but our looks stop the chemical reaction, but never stop, always proceed the chemical reaction. In the rate of forward and rate of backward reaction maintain the same speed at the all time. That is called dynamic equilibrium. Students, clear my point or not? Okay, finally one more, in the catalyst has no effect at the time of chemical equilibrium. Student, that is the most important. In the catalyst, what is the meaning of catalyst? In the catalyst, they are given one definition is the catalyst. Catalyst is a participate in all chemical reaction. Students, catalyst is a participate in all chemical reaction, increase the rate of reaction, but not consumed. That is the catalyst. In the catalyst does not affect the at the time of equilibrium position of the chemical reaction. That is the one more point. Okay, next one is the students types of equilibrium. Generally, equilibrium is the two types, students. One is the homogeneous equilibrium, another one is the heterogeneous equilibrium. Students, in the term homo means like have same, genes means phase. Students, so that is the homogeneous means that is the if any chemical reaction at the time of equilibrium position, reactant and product as present in the same phase or same physical state. Phase means physical state. In the homo means single, like only one. that is only one phase or single phase, means those chemical reactions at the equilibrium position, reactant and product is present in the only one phase, that is the homogeneous equilibrium. Students, one of the given example, H2 plus I2 is given as to 2HI. In the H2 act as a gas, H2 hydrogen gas, and I2 is act as a iodine gas, like H2 gas, I2 gas. Is given as to 2HI. Students, in the HI means hydrogen iodide, one of the gas. Like at the time of equilibrium position, students, in the equilibrium position, in the reactant you have taken, reactant means H2 and I2 act as a gas phase, and product means HI is act as a gas. In the both react as a gas phase. That type of chemical reactions is called homogeneous chemical or homogeneous equilibrium. Students, clear my point or not? That means those chemical reactions having at the time of equilibrium position, reactant and the product is available on the same physical state. Means homo means single or same, genes means phase means physical state. That is the entire homogeneous equilibrium. At the time of equilibrium position, reactant and product is the same phase, same physical state. That is called homogeneous equilibrium. In the homogeneous equilibrium, one of the example, H2 plus I2 is given as to 2H. In the reactant side, act as a H2 and I2 both are act as a gas, and HA act as a gas. Okay, both are available in the gas phase. Okay, students, clear my point or not? Okay, next one, students, second one is the second chemical equilibrium is the heterogeneous equilibrium. Okay, students, in the hetero means two or differ. Hetero means different or two or more than. Okay, again genes means phase, like at the time of equilibrium position, reactants and product available in the different physical state, or two or more than different physical state, or two or more than two physical state. Okay, those chemical reactions having at equilibrium position, reactants and product is available in the different physical state is called heterogeneous equilibrium. Students, in the heterogeneous equilibrium, we have example taken calcium carbonate like CaCO3 and applied to heat, that is the calcium oxide and CO2. Like in these, students, in this CaCO3 act as a solid state, that is act as a reactant, and CO act as a solid, and CO2 is act as a gas. Okay, students, at the time of equilibrium position, that is the reactant is the physical state or physical phase, that is the solid phase, and product in the product side, CO2 is the gas phase. That means overall heterogeneous equilibrium means those chemical reactions at equilibrium position, reactant and product is available in the different physical state. That is the heterogeneous equilibrium. Student, clear my point or not? Okay, I have taken one more chance, one more example, ammonium nitrate like NH4NO3. That is given as to N2O plus NO, 2H2O, sorry. That is the like one of the example, means all decomposition reactions example to the heterogeneous equilibrium. Okay, students, one more point in the term heterogeneous equilibrium, but in the equilibrium only closed container reactions takes place are allowed. Okay, not in the open vessel reactions not takes place. Okay, clear my point or not? Okay, that is have taken only closed container, closed vessel. Only that is allowed. If you have taken open vessel or open container, does not allow in the heterogeneous equilibrium. Does not have taken heterogeneous equilibrium. Students, clear my point or not? In the term specifically have used to the equilibrium position. So the type of only reversible reaction, the reversible reaction only present in the closed container. Not only irreversible reaction and not only open cycle or open closure system does not allow this heterogeneous equilibrium. Okay, clear my students or not? Okay, next one is the most important active mass. Students, in the active mass, that is one type of concentration term in concentration terms of molarity or pressure. Students, in the active mass to indicate the square bracket. Students, in the active mass is the indicate to the square bracket. The square bracket is to indicate the like concentration. Okay, square bracket is represented as the concentration. Okay, students, in the active mass means concentration in terms of molarity, or concentration is nothing but molarity or pressure. Okay, active mass is nothing but concentration. Active mass is equal to mole by liter. Like mole means I have taken n, that is the mole. By later means have taken volume V, where C is equal to N by V, or used to the stoichiometry or mole concept, where C is equal to N by V, where C is nothing but concentration or molarity, where concentration or molarity is equal to N by V, where N is equal to moles and V is the volume in terms of liter. Okay, taken for gases. Gases is means have used to the square bracket active mass is equal to square bracket pressure. They have taken gases. Okay, students, one more important active masses for solid or pure liquids. I have taken only one always. Students, that is the most important. Like I have pure liquid like H2O or alcohol, that is the liquid have taken only one, that is the active mass. So you have taken calcium carbonate or CaO, calcium oxide, that is the only have taken solid substance, that is the active mass for is the one, that is only concentration is taken one. In the case of pure liquid, that is the concentration taken is the one. Students, clear my point or not? Okay, like you have example 8 grams of helium and 8.4 grams of N2 and 128 grams of SO2 is present in 2 liter vessel or 2 liter container. Find the active mass. Students, in the active mass is nothing but concentration, like where N is equal to C is equal to N by V, students, where N is equal to moles. Students, where moles is nothing but weight by molecular weight by V, like volume. Students, weight what you have taken, that is a different, like 8 grams of helium. First one you have taken helium is taken. Like that is the 8 by, what is the molecular weight of helium, students? Helium, that is the 4, okay, by volume is the 2 liter. Like have our convenience 8 by 4 into 2. Students, 8 by 8, like that is the 1. That is the active mass for helium is taken, only 1 is given. I got it. Okay, one more. Further example have taken, students, active mass for nitrogen. Okay, like again N by V, where N by V means number of moles, students, weight is the 8.4 by, like N2 means 28 and V volume, like 8.4 by 56, students, our 84 by 560, students, Okay, and after approximately what is the value now? 0.1 something is there, active mass is getting. Okay, students, one more. 120 is sulfur dioxide, like N by V, 128 bar. What is the molecular weight of sulfur dioxide? That is the 32 like 64, and volume is there, and 128, 120, that is the 1. Student, clear my point or not? Both are different, all are different, but only same volume is given to find the active mass, where active mass is nothing but concentration you have taken moles by volume, where N by V, where N is equal to weight by molecular weight. Okay, and overall by is the volume. Okay, you have taken, I repeat once again, you have taken helium. Helium is the what is the active mass of helium? Only 8 grams is weight is given. 8 grams by molecular weight of helium is the 4, 8 by 4, and overall by volume is the V in terms of liter. Okay, 8 by 4 by 2. In the 2 will be reciprocal, 8 by 2 into 4, like 8 by 4, 8 by 8, sorry. 8 by 8 means how comes 1. That is the active mass for helium is the 1. And one more, active mass of nitrogen, only what is the value is given, 8.4 grams of N2 is given, like 8.4 by N2 means 28, by overall volume is the 2 liter, like 28 2 that is the 56, like overall 8.4 by 56, that is the 80 okay, 84 by 560, and approximately 0.1 is that is the active mass for N2. Students, clear my point or not? Okay, finally one more, 128 grams of SO2 to find the active mass present in 2 liter volume is taken. And one more example, students, that is the active mass is equal to N by V, you know that, where N is equal to moles and volume, where moles is equal to weight by molecular weight, where what is the weight now, 128 grams by molecular weight of SO2, students. S is the 32 and O2 is the 32, overall the 64, and volume is the 2 liter. 64 into 2, that is getting 128 by 128, that is will be cancelled, that is the 1 is getting, that is the active mass for SO2 is the 1. Students, remaining is homework is given, like only moles is given. 2 moles of N2 in 3 liter volume, that is the find the active mass. Only like that is the N by V, like 2 is the taken moles, 2 by, and 3 is the volume V, and 2 by 3. Okay, getting? Okay, next one, second one is the 96 grams of O2 in a 2 liter vessel. Same manner where N is equal weight by molecular weight, that based on the have find the active mass N by V. Okay, students. And third one is the 128 grams of I2 in a 10 liter of water. Students, in the small thinking about and small logic in the question. What is the active mass for 128 grams of I2 in 10 liter of H2O and 127 grams of I2 in 10 liter of benzene? Okay. One more point, in the active mass only pure liquids and solid have taken, only active mass is the 1. Okay, how can solve this one? These 4 to find the active mass, that is the homework. Okay, I check that every problem and every notebook tomorrow onwards, I check that. Okay, thank you. Okay, next one, students, law of mass action. First one, that is proposed by Goldberg and Wage. What is the statement of law of mass action? At constant temperature, is the rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of product of active masses. Students, in the term active mass is nothing but concentration, only concentration of the reactants and their coefficients their coefficients raised on the power. Students, repeat once again, that is proposed by Goldberg and Wage in the statement of law of mass action. At constant temperature, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to product of concentration of the reactant, or concentration is nothing but active masses and their coefficients raised on the power. Okay, students, in the example I have taken small a capital A plus small b capital B plus small c capital, sorry, only have taken small a capital A plus small b capital B is given to small c capital C plus small d capital D. Students, in the capital A capital B act as the reactants, capital C capital D act as the product, and small a small b act as the coefficients of the reactants, and small c small d is act as the coefficients of the product. Students, in the according to law of mass action, have taken rate of forward reaction. That means reactant is converted to the product only forward reaction, like AA plus BB act as the reactant, and small c capital C plus small d capital D act as a product. I have taken only forward reaction. Rate of forward reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of A whole power A into concentration of B whole power B. Why? Because also according to law of mass action, rate is directly proportional to the product of concentration of the reactant. In the case of reactant act as a, in the above reaction, capital A capital B is act as the reactant, and they raised their coefficients raised on the power, that is a small a and small b act as a coefficients. Okay, one more, students, in the reversible reaction, that is nothing but backward reaction. In the backward reaction, capital C small c plus capital D small d act as a reactant. Again, reactant is converted to the product, that is the only backward reaction. In the backward reaction, in the small c small d, small c capital C and small d capital D act as a reactant. The time of, that is the rate of reaction, is directly proportional to capital C whole power C and capital D whole power D. Okay, students, in this symbol will be removed. I have taken only forward reaction is taken. Rate of forward direction is directly proportional to the capital A whole power A into capital B whole power B. That is the law of mass action. In this symbol will be removed, used to the one of the constant, that is the RF is equal to Kf is the one of the constant, that is the forward rate constant or equilibrium constant, where Rf is equal to Kf into capital A whole power A into capital B whole power B. Students, Rf is the rate of forward reaction. Kf is the the proportional constant for reaction, or equilibrium forward constant at equilibrium. Next one, again, rate of backward reaction. Students, Rb is directly proportional to the concentration of C whole power C into concentration of D whole power D. That means capital C whole power C and capital D whole power D. That is the backward reaction. Where again same manner, Rb is Rb is equal to Kb. Like that is the backward rate constant Kb, capital C whole power C and capital D whole power D. That is the backward reaction. At the time of the equilibrium position, rate of forward reaction equal to rate of backward reaction, where Rf is equal to Rb. You know that RF means KF, capital A whole power A, capital B whole power B is equal to KB whole power C whole power, sorry, KB into capital C whole power C and capital D whole power D at the time of equilibrium position, where KF capital A whole power A and capital B whole power B is equal to KB into capital C whole power C and capital D whole power D, where KF by KB, students, where KF by KB is equal to, what will do, that is the concentration C, means capital C whole power C and capital D whole power D by capital A whole power A and capital B whole power B. Students, in the square bracket means concentration. In overall, I am telling concentration of C whole power C and concentration of D whole power D by concentration of A whole power A into concentration of B whole power B. Students, where Kf by Kb is equal to, you know that Kc, that is our safety, your safety. According to our knowledge or your knowledge, where Kf by Kb is equal to one of the constant Kc, where Kc is the equilibrium constant. Students, where equilibrium constant means in overall reaction is taken concentration of reactants by concentration of product. Sorry, concentration of product by concentration of reactant. Their coefficients raised on the power. Students, there is one more, that is the capital C whole power C and capital D whole power D act as a concentration of product and by concentration of reactant. In the equilibrium constant, Kc is equal to concentration of product by concentration of reactant. That is the most important, students, where Kc, I repeat once again, equilibrium constant Kc is equal to concentration of product by concentration of reactant and their coefficients raised on the power. Students, clear my point or not? Where Kc is equal to entire, that is the Cd act as a concentration of product and Ab act as a concentration of reactant in the particular reaction. That in the terms I have taken only concentrations, like concentration of product by concentration of reactant only. That is the most important. Clear my point or not, students? Students, in the taken one more example, N2 plus 3 is given as to 2NH3. In this, N2 and S2 act as a reactant and NH3 act as a product. To find, write the equilibrium constant Kc. You know that Kc is the concentration of product by concentration of reactant and their coefficients raised on the power, where Kc is equal to, students, in the NH3 act as a product, that is in terms of concentration NH3, where you divide the square bracket, where square bracket NH3, that is the square bracket of NH3 is indicate to the concentration, where concentration of NH3 and what is the coefficient, students, that is the coefficient is the 2, where NH3 whole square by, like, that is the concentration of N2, their coefficient only, that is the coefficient is the 1, that is the 1, and one more in the concentration of H2 and their coefficient is, what is the coefficient is the 3, that is the raised on the power. And overall in the equation I have to write the equilibrium constant Kc is equal to concentration of product by concentration of reactants. Students, in the concentration of product means ammonia act as, or ammonia is nothing but NH3 act as a product, where NH3 whole square by NH3 whole square because that is the coefficient is the 2 NH3 whole square, and one more N2 is the that is the reactant, means N2 and H2 act as a reactant, and N2 whole power 1 and H2 whole power 3, that is the coefficient of N2 is the 1 and coefficient of H2 is the 3. So overall reaction Kc is equal to NH3 whole square by N2 whole power 1 into H2 whole power 3 in both the reactants, means product 2 by reactant, means concentration of product 2 by concentration of reactant, that is the